So, what are you? What is your saying about? What are you writing?
Tak kenal maka tak. So I haven't been doing my saying.
Yeah.
So it just means that if you don't know somebody, then you don't want to get to know that person.
Okay.
So like it takes knowing somebody before you can actually communicate with them. Or,
Okay.
yeah, like them and stuff. Because you always hear people say, "Oh, I don't like this person," but usually what it
Okay.
means is that because I don't know them yet.
Is it that a very common saying in Indonesia?
It's quite common. It is. Yeah, among other things, of course. It is
Okay.
one of them.
So we have one that says rectificar es de sabios,
Rectificar is the sabio. What
which
does it mean?
means that changing opinions is a quality of wise people.
Right.
Yeah, so I think it's really
Say that again. Rectificar.
rectificar
Rectificar
es de sabios.
es de sabios.
Yeah.
So sabios means wise.
Yeah. That's one of my favorite ones. You know that you are allowed to change opinions. You know, so
Yes.
my favorite one is one that my mom says all the time, which is más vale
Más vale.
ponerse una vez colorada que 100 amarilla. It's a bit long. It means it's worth it going red once than 100 yellow. The metaphorical meaning is that it's better to say the things at once
Right.
directly than
Right.
not,
Then like beating around
exactly.
the bush.
Yeah.
Another one of the saying that I like in my language is rusak nila. Sorry. Karena nila setitik rusak susu sebelanga.
Okay.
And it means that because of nila is a color. Nila is a color of purplish color, so it's not
Okay.
quite purple, but something resembles purple.
Mauve, like mauve.
Like when you combine the color of blue and green, that's the
Okay.
color that you get. That's
Okay,
nila.
okay.
We call it. So it's saying that because of this nila, because of this color, then it destroys your whole jug of milk. So because milk is white, right? But just one drop of this
Okay.
color,
Yeah,
it destroys the
yeah.
whole milk. Now the milk is no longer white.
No.
Yeah, so what it means is that sometimes you're doing really good deeds and you're a good person, but
Okay.
just one time then you did something wrong, and
Yes.
that's what people will remember.
Okay.
People don't remember the good deeds that you do; they only remember this bad thing.
Okay.
So that it
We
means-
have a one with the similar meaning but completely different context.
Really?
Which is you kill one dog,
Uh-huh.
they call you dog killer.
Right.
So si matas un perro te llaman mataperros. Meaning that
Just because you kill
just
one
because
dog,
you do,
this one dog.
yeah, exactly, yeah.
I think it's very sad though, because like
I know.
people cannot be perfect,
No,
sometimes,
exactly.